Hi there, and welcome back to our channel, The Adventures of C&C. And today I want to share with you how when you're traveling to Saba, you can create your own souvenirs. There's a program in Saba, Create and Learn. It's a program through the See and Learn Foundation. See and Learn bring in artists several times a year to teach workshops on Saba. But in addition to this, you can take workshops with a local artist all year round. So follow me for some of the workshops that I took when I was in Saba, and I created my very own souvenirs. Don't forget, if you like this video, to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
My chances along with my...
So we are about to create the most amazing Saban souvenir with Anna. Anna is the most creative person in the world, and she is going to teach us, to do something like this. And Sophie's going to do it too, right, Sophie?
She's going to help me.
Yes, absolutely. Woo! Excited? Yeah! And look at these finished pieces. Oh my gosh, this is just incredible. Look at the definition in the leaves. Oh my gosh. I am super excited, Anna.
Okie dokie then, let's get going. So this is my Netflix binge watching. That's cool. This is Rangoon Creeper here on silk.
Very cool.
Wow.
Now she's rolling
And
it.
now you're, yeah.
Ah, cool. So here is my scarf. I'm just putting it on one side because we're going to flip that over, and then we're going to cook it, and it's going to transfer to both sides. So this is before. I can't wait to see the after.
Oh, you put it on the long end. Because you're going to start rolling from this end. Yeah?
So what does the onion skin look like?
Orange.
Just
Now we can talk about her help. You actually need physical help.
Yeah, you can go.
then we flipped it over, covered it with plastic,
Pull that nice and hard.
and just roll it without the cigar.
Yeah.
You have cigars?
Yeah, they're right here.
There's a picture with a cigar.
And now it's all rolled up, getting ready to cook it. So now we are all rolled up and getting ready to cook it, right?
Yeah, going in the cooker.
And it doesn't matter which one because mine is a different color.
Good, we're gonna
Interesting.
pot. We got room for one more.
And then we'll see the finished product. For the unveiling, drum roll. And
Pull it up a little bit. Dun, 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 dun.
ta-da! Woohoo! Beautiful. Gorgeous.
Definition. Donna, what was this?
That is beautiful.
Wow.
Look at the onion skin.
I love the
How
onion skin.
pretty.
How cool.
Oh, that was
So now I can wear a piece of Saba all the time.
Yes. Oh, this
Oh,
is
I love how that.
Anna. Such a great class.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
I'm so glad you guys
Thank
enjoyed
you.
it. And we can make it work. We're flexible,
Donna, how did you
no
get
matter
these?
what.
Was that these? Was that these right here? Oh, look at this.
actually don't think of myself as a creative person, but I was very happy to be invited to this card making class because this made me look as if I was very creative. This was such an interesting class and something I had never done before. You can take these classes as a resident or as a non-resident. The price varies between $20 to $40 and also depends on the class. And it's usually like a 2-hour class and you get to take home your masterpieces. So this was so cool. As I was creating these cards, I was thinking of who I could give it to, and then selfishly, when I was finished creating it and I brought it home, I thought these are too pretty to give away. I'm just going to keep them as souvenirs. And my hubby agreed with me that they were so pretty I should keep them as souvenirs. So you'll see as we go through this process that it's a lengthy process. So when you turn over a greeting card and you see the price on the back, you should think about how that card was created, especially these types of cards, because Danielle puts a lot of work and time and effort into this, and I'm so happy and grateful to her for teaching it and teaching others how to make these cards now.
Oh, something went wrong.
I'm coming.
That is how you learn.
Danielle also includes a beverage, and this is a good time to socialize with friends, and so invite your friends and take Danielle's card making class. Thank you so much, Danielle, for hosting this. I enjoyed it so much, and besides that, now I have this beautiful souvenir to remind me of you and Saba. So we made something out of nothing.
I know, I need to take a picture.
Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness.
That's mine.
Yeah, should be good.
The last time, search up on Google. What? Search up on what? Is me or my cousin. Hey! And you see the internet. What? Mia's my cousin. And you see the internet, you're like, what did you say? I go search up. So you always laugh. I need a paper. No pink. What's the diamond?
I'm standing here with Jenny, and Jenny is an amazing seamstress, so professional. So I bought this hoodie. It was really chilly when I first came, and I don't particularly like hoodies, but I did like the Saba on this, so I brought it to Jenny. She removed the hood, but look at the neckline she created. Jenny, I am so happy. You are such a professional. Thank you very, very much.
No, thank you. I'm so happy I can do that for you.
And you know, on Saba, I wouldn't have imagined I could have transformed my jacket like this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And besides this, Jenny makes clothes. Look at this dress. It is super beautiful, and I'm here for a few more days, so I may be back for that dress if I can fit it in my suitcase. And she has a complete shop here where she makes beach cover-ups, blouses, dresses, everything you can think of, and she can repair and remodel anything you'd like. So I just saw this really, and show me the beach cover-up because that is super cute. She just made this beach cover-up. So if you are looking to fix clothes or buy clothes while you're on Saba, look at this. Jenny is the professional. Thank you so much, Jenny. Beautiful job. Thank you.